Hello and welcome to another Learning Beyond Limits video. Today, we're going to solve a fun clock puzzle using intervals. Here is the question. A grandfather clock takes 30 seconds to strike 7 o'clock. The timing starts right at the first bong and ends right at the 7th. And we assume that the bongs themselves take 0 seconds. How long does the clock take to strike 10 o'clock? Let's think about this. At 7 o'clock, a grandfather clock goes bong 7 times. The first bong is at the start, and the 7th bong is at the end. From the first bong to the last bong, it takes 35 seconds to solve. Let's draw a picture. Since it says from the first bong to the last takes 30 seconds, it should look like this. The questions also say there are 7 bongs, like this. Bong, 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 bong. Notice that we divided the 30 seconds into 6 gaps. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called intervals. So how many seconds does one of these intervals represent? In other words, if I were to divide the 30 seconds by 6 interval, how many seconds would each interval get? That's correct. Each interval would get 5 seconds. To sum it up, the tricky part, it's not the bongs that take time. It's the intervals between the bongs. Between 7 bongs, there are 6 intervals. If 6 intervals take 30 seconds, then each interval takes 5 seconds. Now let's try 10 o'clock. There are 10 bongs, so 9 intervals. Each interval is 5 seconds. 9 times 5 equals 45 seconds. That's it. Remember, count the intervals, not just the events. Practice challenge. How long will it take for 8 o'clock? See you next time with more math fun. Brought to you by Learning Beyond Limits.